What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another video. For today I'm just going to be showing you guys how to replace a window regulator on the 2004 Chevy Tahoe. I think anywhere from the 2000 to 2006, I think. I'm not really sure what years these Tahoes came out or what year they stopped making them, but anyways, it's going to be for the Tahoe. You guys can tell the back window is already rolled down because the window regulator is broken, so it won't go down anymore. It won't go higher anymore. So got a new window regulator. I'm about to show you guys how to swap that out. It's not that hard to swap window regulators. I already swapped one on the Yukon, but I'm about to swap one on the Tahoe now. Here's the new one. How to slap it in there. It's not that hard, so let's get it done. All right, so pretty simple. First thing you want to do, take off this. Just comes out with a flathead. You're gonna take this off next. There's a screw there. This one's already missing. It was missing since I bought it, but anyways, take that screw down there, and I'm gonna take these off so I can show you what to do after that. So you can tell that one pops off fairly easy. So does this one. You don't really need a flathead, to be honest, but it just makes it a little bit easier. And then just pull it out. Bam. So now you should be able to just lift up your window, your door panel, and expose it. All right, next thing you want to do is pop this out of there, and then you're gonna take this bolt off and take this off so you got more space to work with. So you just use a flathead to take that one out. Now you can pull this up, and it's out. Gotta take all this off now. All right, so as you can tell, I exposed the motor regulator bolts. So there's one. I'm pretty sure you're gonna have to take the speaker off, so I'm gonna take that off right now. These are bolts there. You got more bolts there, and you're gonna have some inside that are actually holding the window. Shouldn't be those two. But before you take those off, make sure you tape this window, or figure out a way to hold this window without it dropping. Because the moment you loosen these up and you go to take your regulator down, that window's gonna drop and goodbye window. So tape it up, figure out a way to hold it up. So let me do that. All right, so I got my speaker off. It's pretty simple to take it off. You just gotta unplug the connector that goes where the hell is it? There. So unplug that, take 3 bolts off, and now you expose your motor window regulator. So I'm about to just remove the bolts from the one that holds the glass, and I got my glass all taped up. So I'm about to remove those bolts, drop down the regulator, and then remove all the other bolts, and it should come right out. All right, so I released the you can tell that's the window. This is what grabs onto the window. It goes in there, but I released that. Everything's loose. Now I just gotta take off the connector. So I got that connector off. And so just like that, pull your window regulator up. Bam, just like that, it's off. And you can tell it's all broken because in there, look at all the wires all jammed up in there. And as you can tell, it's a fucked up window regulator. It was making noise too, but that's it. All right, got a new one in here. All right, so I got the regulator in there. So what I did first is I lined up these two that are sticking out. Here, I'll try to show you. So these are sticking out. I, put it through the hole. And now I got this one up here that matches, and I can put my bolt through there, and then I can start tightening down the regulator. All right, so I got all my bolts where they gotta go. Got one there, another one there, 3 down there. These two nuts go there. Small little tiny bolt goes in there. And then once I tighten those up, I roll up the window. And then once it grabs onto the glass, like right in there, you can see where so once it grabs to the glass right in there, then you tighten up those bolts there, and it'll hold on to your glass. And then you can put your speaker back and everything. All right, keys turn, power's on. We should be able to just press the button and go up. Ooh, it's working. So now I just gotta open those up a little bit so it actually grabs onto the window. Right now it's just pushing it. So let me try to get that in there right. All right, so the easiest way to do it is pull your window up, like push it up. As you can tell, that's all the way it goes. Now it literally exposes these straight here, so you can just tighten them up. And now it's grabbing onto the actual glass. So let's tighten those up. That's it. So now let's just take our tape off. And All right, so I took all the tape off besides that one. That one's actually stuck to the window, so we're gonna go down now. Make sure everything's good. Nothing's in the way. Oh, look at that. I need to figure out a way to keep this away because this is gonna... All right, so I tried putting a zip tie around here and it makes it way too tense to the point where I actually snap the zip tie, but I've been going up and down for like 15, 20 times and it doesn't seem to grab it, so I think it'll be all right. I'm just gonna say fuck it and let it be like that. See? I can grab it. But yeah, window's working though. Goes all the way up, all the way down. That's how you fix a window regulator, my boy. Now let's put the speaker back and put everything back to normal. And it's all done. Doors back on. Everything's back how it's supposed to be. Nothing's loose. I found a bolt actually. So I was able to put a bolt in there. Now we got an operating window. Sir. Now my daughter can no longer say her window no longer works. Goes up and down now, boy. And that's how you change your window regulator. Alright, y'all, so that is going to be the end of this video. Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. Click that bell notification so you get reminded every time I upload. And then, yeah, stay tuned, man. We got more videos coming, more content coming. I'm trying to stay consistent with the content. I'm trying to stay consistent with the fire content as well. So stay tuned. We got more videos coming in. That's going to be the end of this video, though. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.